The art of slow living is about embracing the present, finding joy in simplicity, and allowing life to unfold at its own perfect pace. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about the magic of everyday moments, a journey into slow living. Enjoy. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the chaos of daily life, struggling to find joy in the little things? You're definitely not alone, and it might be time to rethink how you approach your everyday moments. In this episode of 7 Good Minutes, we're going to explore the concept of slowing down and how it connects to living a longer, more fulfilling life. Modern life can be incredibly fast-paced, with constant demands on our time and energy. We're always connected, always on the go, and always feeling like we're running behind. This can lead to chronic stress, anxiety, and a sense of burnout that's hard to shake. Our bodies are designed to handle short bursts of stress, but when it becomes a constant state, it can have serious negative impacts on our health. We start to feel like we're just trying to survive, rather than truly living. The pace of modern life can also make it difficult to appreciate the little things. We're so focused on getting to the next task, the next appointment, or the next deadline, that we forget to enjoy the journey. We forget to notice the beauty in the world around us, to appreciate the people in our lives, and to find joy in the simple things. This can lead to a sense of disconnection, like we're just going through the motions rather than truly experiencing life. As we rush through our days, we can also start to feel like we're losing ourselves in the process. We forget what's truly important to us, what brings us joy, and what makes us feel alive. We start to feel like we're just trying to keep up, rather than living a life that's authentic and meaningful. This can lead to feelings of discontent, dissatisfaction, and frustration. The fast pace of modern life can also affect our relationships. We can start to feel disconnected from our loved ones, like we're just interacting with them on a surface level, rather than truly connecting. We can feel like we're just trying to get through the day, rather than enjoying the time we have with the people who matter most. Slowing down can have a profound impact on our lives. When we take the time to appreciate the little things, we start to notice the beauty in the world around us. We start to feel more grounded, more present, and more at peace. We can reduce our stress levels, improve our mental health, and enhance our overall sense of well-being. We can start to enjoy the journey, rather than just focusing on the destination. By slowing down, we can also start to reconnect with ourselves and with the people around us. We can start to appreciate the simple things, like a beautiful sunset, a good cup of coffee, or a meaningful conversation. We can start to feel more alive, more engaged, and more fulfilled. We can start to live a life that's authentic, meaningful, and truly ours. Slowing down can also have a positive impact on our physical health. When we're less stressed, we're less likely to experience anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. We're also less likely to engage in unhealthy behaviors, like overeating or substance abuse. We can start to feel more energized, more motivated, and more inspired to take care of ourselves. Research has shown that slowing down can even have a positive impact on our longevity. Studies have found that people who practice mindfulness, meditation, and other slow-paced activities tend to live longer, healthier lives. They're less likely to experience chronic disease, and they're more likely to feel a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By slowing down, we can start to live a longer, happier life. One powerful story that highlights the benefits of slowing down is that of a woman who decided to take a year off from her high-stress job to travel and focus on her mental health. She found that by slowing down and appreciating the little things, she was able to reduce her stress levels, improve her relationships, and find a sense of purpose and meaning. She realized that life wasn't just about achieving goals and checking off boxes, but about truly living and experiencing the world around her. In the end, it's all about finding a sense of balance and harmony in our lives. By taking the time to slow down, appreciate the little things, and reconnect with ourselves and others, we can start to live a life that's truly fulfilling. we can start to enjoy the journey rather than just focusing on the destination. Let's recap the main points we've discussed, emphasizing the importance of taking time for yourself to live a longer, happier life. It's time to rethink how you approach your everyday moments, to slow down, and to truly live. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.